हेलो डेलीगेट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी एक अल्टीमेट टाइम टेबल विच आई ऑल्सो फॉलोड टू अचीव माई गोल्स विदाउट एनी कोचिंग। ऑन डिज़ाइनिंग अ टाइम टेबल, फर्स्ट थिंग जो हमें ध्यान में रखनी है कि आप एक मॉर्निंग लर्नर हो या एक नाइट लर्नर, उन दोनों के बीच में ज़्यादातर डिफरेंस नहीं है 3 to 4 आवर्स। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आई एम अ मॉर्निंग लर्नर, तो मैं कुछ घंटे मॉर्निंग में ज़्यादा पढ़ लेती हूँ, तो वही एक नाइट लर्नर वही हार्स रात को ज़्यादा देर तक पढ़ लेते हैं। सेकेंड थिंग जो हमें ध्यान में रखनी है, दैट इज़ चूज़ योर बेस्ट टाइम पीरियड। जब आपका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन 100% हो विदाउट एनी डिस्ट्रैक्शन, that would be your best time. Third thing, choose your subject. कभी कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स ऐसे होते हैं कि हमारा मूड कभी स्लो हो, मतलब मूड ऑफ हो, तब भी वो सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने में हमें ज़्यादा खुशी हो, फिर भी हमें वो याद रहते हैं वो सब्जेक्ट्स। After deciding all these 3 subjects, we have to set targets, short time goals, long time goals, etc. मैंने मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियो लेक्चर्स में भी ये इंक्लूड किया था कि टारगेट सेटिंग विथ अ फिक्स्ड डेडलाइन इज प्लेइंग अ बिग रोल इन डिजाइनिंग अ टाइम टेबल। फिर टास्क, अचीवमेंट्स, टू डू लिस्ट, दीज ऑल हैव टू बी इंक्लूडेड इन आवर टाइम टेबल। फिर एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन जो स्टूडेंट्स के दिमाग में आता है कि कितने घंटे हम पढ़े कि हमारा गोल अचीव हो जाए। सो मेरे टीचर्स और पेरेंट्स ने जो मुझे सिखाया है वही मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी। दैट यू स्टडी 6 आवर्स एंड यू विल गेट 60%। यू स्टडी 7 आवर्स, you will get 70%. You study 8 hours, you will get 80%. And you study 9 hours, you will get 90%. But if you study 9 plus hours, you are still competing with your competitors. सिर्फ आप ही नहीं होंगे जो 9 plus hours पढ़ रहे हैं, कुछ और स्टूडेंट्स भी होंगे जो 9 plus hours पढ़ते हैं, but you are competing with them. So this was my motto of studying hours. Now I will discuss my timetable during lockdown to crack NEET. As I said, I am a morning learner. I used to wake up at morning 2:30 a.m. 2:30 to 3 a.m. was my time of getting freshen up and having brush and all. 3 से 5, 3 to 5 a.m. This was my best time with 100% concentration, as I discussed before. 3 to 5 a.m. I used to do physics concept building. 5 to 7 a.m. was my time of question practicing with different types of questions of physics. 7 to 8:30 a.m. was time of taking a bath and breakfast and meditation for my peace. 8:30 to 11:30 was my time of doing complete biology and 3 to 5 minutes break for my relaxation and no other subjects, only biology. 11:30 to 1 p.m. was my time of solving doubts, having video lectures, and I don't take so much burden in this time because this time was some of relaxed time. मतलब 11:30 to 1 am मैं मेरे डाउट सॉल्व कर लेती थी और सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिकॉल दी लेक्चर्स और रिकॉल दी chapters which I done before in physics and biology. 1 to 2 p.m. was my time to having lunch and a maximum 20 minutes nap for getting freshen up. 2 to 4 p.m. for chemistry concept building. 4 to 6 p.m. was the time for question practicing of chemistry. इसी तरह मैंने ये सारे स्लॉट्स सेग्रीगेट किए थे। फिजिक्स का सुबह, बायोलॉजी का दोपहर के समय और केमिस्ट्री का शाम को। तो ऐसे ही मेरे 3 सब्जेक्ट्स तो मैं एक ही दिन में ख़त्म कर लेती थी। देन 6 to 6:30 फॉर रिलैक्स, लिसनिंग सॉन्ग्स and having bicycle ride or talking with my parents and having fun with my brother and all. 6:30 to 8:30 compulsory doing biology, but an optional subject, for example English for boards, and for some days there are tests, so I also prefer physics or chemistry, but biology was compulsory. And 8:30 to 9 was my time of having dinner and watching my favorite show Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. That time I also see TV shows, only so that TV show only. And at 9 o'clock I have a deep sound, I go to bed and have a sleep, because at morning I have to wake up at 2:30 am. So I used to prefer at sleep at 9 o'clock. And so this was my timetable. I am not telling to follow the exact timetable, but I prefer to see the pattern which I used to follow, I discussed before. There were also days where I studied more hours than this, and there were also days where I studied less hours than this. I am not telling you to follow the exact timetable which I used to do, but I am asking you, I am advising you to follow the exact pattern which I used to do, and as I discussed before. And today I am very happy that I got admission in first round All India quota, and so I have more time for you to solving your doubts, for solving your queries, and comment section is always open for you for your doubts. And so I am also going to do biology questions for you, more conceptual questions, more chapters and all. And so you have to subscribe and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos like MBBS related videos, NEET related videos, strategies to crack NEET, paper attempting strategies, motivational, inspirational, my college video lectures, etc. And so be with me. I am always with you. Thank you very much.